This is What's up, everyone? Welcome to my first vlog of 2021, isn't it? Yeah, it is. Wow, I can't believe I went like 1 month without vlogging. And I know a lot of you were missing my vlogs as well. So here I am shooting a day in my life. And 1 second, this is too bright. So yeah, here I am shooting a day in my life for you all. So as you saw, I was reading this book by Tim Ferriss, The 4-Hour Work Week. It's quite a thick book, and you might have also seen that I'm making notes. So it's a time-consuming process, as in it's not as easy as just picking up a random book and skimming through it. Really trying to take in all the information that I'm learning from the book. Chapter I read today was very boring because it's not at all applicable to me. I just lightly skimmed through it and marked few important things. But until today's chapter, it was very, very information heavy. Like I learned a lot. It's rewiring my brain. There's a lot happening. I'll talk more about the book once I finish reading it. Anyways, enough about the book. Of course, you can tell I'm not wearing any makeup. I actually have to shoot a reel today. Yesterday was actually my 1-year anniversary of being in the BTS army. It's very special to me. Non-BTS army people won't get what I'm feeling right now, but point is, I got 7 amazing role models last year, and I'm just very grateful. Like, they've literally changed my life in every way possible for the better. So yeah, I want to shoot a special reel for that, which if you want to watch, make sure you follow me on my Instagram and check out the reel. I will be uploading it today as well. I also have to shoot another video related to routines, which I'm very excited about. It's almost like an experiment. But yeah, anyways, I just have like a set of things that I need to get done, which I've mentioned in this planner of mine. This is the Carousel Undated Planner. I just began using this yesterday night. Like, I filled in my work calendar and stuff in this, and this is just completely my work planner. That's how I'm treating it. I'm quickly going to do my makeup and start shooting for the reel. Also guys, this caddy that I got from Sapna Book House is legit life-changing for me. It's so convenient to like get this anywhere I am. Like, sometimes I'm watching TV with my family while I'm doing my makeup, so I literally just have to carry this, and it's just life-changing, guys. And I have this small thing, which again I think I got from Sapna only long ago. It's easy to reach for all of this. So yeah, highly suggest you guys get yourself any caddy like this if you want to do your makeup anywhere and everywhere in an organized way. Okay guys, so I finished doing my makeup. I also changed into this cute pink t-shirt which says damn, and I got this I think from Myntra, and I did share a haul, so I will link it up on your screen in case you want to watch that haul. And I'm wearing these wide cut high-waisted Zara jeans. I just have to apply my lipstick and I'm done. This is the lipstick I'm going to wear. It's the Maybelline Superstay Ink Crayon. I did share this in my recent Amazon beauty haul. I'm legit obsessed with this shade. Wait, I'll just show you how it looks. I love this shade. And it's also so easy to apply. I really love the fragrance as well. It's so coconutty. And yeah, this is the shade. It's so pretty and goes really well with my outfit. I'm also really liking my makeup today. It's so glowy and quite neutral other than my lips, right? Now I'm going to set up my phone to shoot the reel, and hopefully it comes out nice. Okay, so I've set up my phone camera on a tripod on my bed. And this is where I'll be shooting. I do need to remove all of this furniture, so let's do that. What's up? So I'm just checking how the framing is going to be, and yeah, I will shoot the reel. You can check it out on Instagram and let me know if you're coming from YouTube fam. Okay guys, I tried shooting the reel. I hope it's come out fine, but I'll only know after editing because this reel is all about the edit, not so much about the shoot. Okay, so I just transferred everything onto my computer, but in the meantime, I actually got a parcel from Crumble. So Crumble is basically like an Instagram store and they sell edible cookie dough, and I am the biggest fan of cookie dough. So yeah, I just took a chance, bought it, and let's see how this is actually because I'm super hungry. Oh, bhai. Oh, bhaijan. Okay. Wow, this is such a fancy packaging. I did not expect this at all. Okay, so we have 2 jars here. I am so impressed with the packaging. Oh my god, look at that.
The shelf life is 20 days under room temperature and refrigeration. There are also baking instructions on the jar. The best way to eat the cookie dough is to microwave it for 20 to 30 seconds before consumption.
Okay, so I have this one called Choco Lot. You can see, dude, it looks like Belgian dark chocolate ice cream, but cookie dough. Oh my god, I'm so excited. And this is the red velvet one. Let me, ooh, look at the color, guys. Oh, wow, wow. Okay. This is gorgeous. Okay, I'm a chocolate person, so I'm going to open the chocolate one first. I'm forgetting how much this was, guys. I know the total was $5.90. You can divide it by 2, and there was no shipping if you buy 2 jars. They do mention that you can eat it by itself. This is not sponsored, obviously. I hope you can make that out by now. I just randomly bought this off of Instagram because I'm a huge sucker for cookie dough. Let's scoop a bit out. Wow. This is so good. Freak. Okay, this is sinful, okay guys. The surprising part is the texture. It is so smooth. Freak, I wish I could make you all taste this through the screen. Let's do a taste test of the red velvet. I have no idea what to expect, honestly, when it comes to red velvet. This is amazing. Oh my god. Oh freak. The best part is I don't even feel like heating them because they are so amazing right out of the jar. Okay, now I'm curious how good it's going to taste after heating it up for a while like they suggested. But I'm not going to do that now because I have a lot of work piled here and I just got these things and I had to do a live taste test. So I hope you enjoyed that. I will link the Instagram store down below. And yeah, maybe you can coax them into sending me free jars every month. I'm kidding. Not really. No, that's a joke. That's a joke. Okay, I'm going to remove this from my table because varna to main yehi khati rahungi. Okay guys, this is much later than you last saw me. So it took a long time to edit. Actually, the edit itself wasn't hard to do. It's pretty simple, but I had some technical difficulties, but now all of that is sorted. I quickly post this reel and get on with the rest of my day. Gonna breathe, get some snacks and watch Run. Oh shit! What's up everyone? This is like way later since I last spoke to you all. It's going to be 11 p.m. So yeah, after watching the Run episode, I took some time to revise on my Korean. Like I had 500 vocabulary words to brush up on. So today I think I got to more than half of it. So it's pretty good. My goal is to finish it by this week. I keep getting comments on sharing my Korean study routine, which I will guys because I'm slowly just getting back into studying regularly. There's no routine as such. I'm still planning it out. That video will come soon. And then we had a family prayer and I finished my dinner. And can you believe it. Like this lipstick I wore in the afternoon, after which I had my lunch, I had snacks. You saw me having the cookie dough. I also had my dinner, and it's still pretty much there, of course. अंदर से थोड़ा गया, but that's sort of normal. This unintentionally became like a wear test video as well, and I'm super impressed by this lipstick. I will link down this lipstick and anything else that I would have specifically spoken about in this vlog in the description box, so please check it. Right now I'm going to take a nice hot shower and I'm going to sit and edit this vlog that you're watching. Let me know if you like such vlogs by giving this video a big thumbs up and commenting down below. And before you leave, make sure you are subscribed to my channel and hit on the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of my future videos, which I post twice every week, every Wednesday and Saturday. With that being said, I hope you all have an amazing day. Stay happy, positive and blessed. I will see you all next time. Bye.
What a wonderful world.